Paid for NSG during Prime Minister's visit to the country.
With me is the Mexican ambassador to India. Ma'am, welcome to Doordarshan News. My first question, Prime Minister Narendra Modi just visited Mexico. Short visit. What's the current status of Indo-Mexican relations?
Mexico and India have a very long relation. We are trying to upgrade the relationship to make it a modern relationship of the 21st century. We talked about trade, of course. We talked about science and technology, about aerospatial. We talked about digital strategies. So how to make our relationship a relationship that relates to the great country that India is and the great country that Mexico is. We're both part of G20. Our leaders are still going to visit each other in a much broader way. We have Madame Sushma Swaraj coming in October to Mexico.
Things happening, but one thing which is happening is the NSG meet, which is dominating the headlines here in India. Your country has already supported India. So what's happening? I mean, what do you think will be the outcome of the meet when the outcome really comes in Seoul?
We will have to wait for that.
Talking about India being not signatory to the NPT, what's your view on that? Because at least the Chinese have been saying the fact that there should be a merit-based and criteria-based which involves signing the NPT.
We have already agreed to support India's entry to the group, and we will have to wait for the discussions of the group.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, both the countries are somehow involved in nuclear energy. How do you think that if India becomes part of the NSG, it will help India?
India has to be much more involved in the non-proliferation agenda, and that's what Mexico hopes to work with India. It is also an issue of commerce. Let's not forget about that. So, you know, if India wants to be part of NSG, it will benefit India.
And, ma'am, any plans of, it comes to civil nuclear deal between India and Mexico? Are you working on that? Something?
Not yet. We will have an agenda and then define what are the issues of course, civil use, because we only use nuclear for civil use. So Mexico is only using nuclear for civil use.
Well, thank you so much, ma'am. So there you have it, the Mexican ambassador talking exclusively to Doordarshan News, and of course the focus has been on the NSG. Mexico already has supported India as a bid for the NSG, and hopefully when the outcome comes, it will be what many Indians are hoping will be a positive one. With camera person SP Dubey, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.
Finance